Hello, this is a tutorial on 2.4b1. This is an alternative assignment. You're going to be working on your division skills here. These problems will get a little bit progressively harder, but there won't be any decimals in them. That's why this is a little bit below grade level in terms of our expectations. But I also wrote all of them as fractions. So 72 divided by 3 is really the same thing as 72 divided by 3, which is the same thing as 72 divided by 3. So we go ahead and we'll start off. Does 3 fit into 7? Yes, it fits in there 2 times. Some people like putting a little multiplication sign there. You can do that if you like. 3 times 2 is 6. And we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We're going to bring this 2 down here. Does 3 fit into 12? Yes, 3 fits into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. We zeroed the problem out, and here is our answer up here. We'll circle it in green. This is called our quotient. All right, let's take a look at the next problem. 148 divided by 4. This is the same as 148 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 148 divided by 4. So let's go ahead and start asking our questions. Does 4 fit into 1? No, it does not. Does 4 fit into 14? Yeah, it goes into 14. Fits in there. Let's see, 3 times 4. Let's put times here. 3 times 4 would be 12, so put the 12 down. We'll subtract. Well, 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 2 left over. Now, of course, 4 doesn't fit into there, but we can bring this 8 down. Does 4 fit into 28? Yes, it goes in there. Let's see, 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. All right, let's keep rolling. Next column, or the next row. 132 divided by 12. Again, this is 132 divided by 12. It's the exact same thing. And 132 divided by 12. So now we've got a 2-digit. Divisor. So does 12 fit into 1? No. Does 12 fit into 13? Sure. It goes in there 1 time. So we'll put down the 12. Little time sign up here. We'll subtract it. Well, 3 minus 2 is 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 1 left over. Can bring down that 2. Does 12 fit into 12? Sure, it fits in there 1 time. 12 times 1 is 12. We subtract that out. We zero out our problem. Okay, let's take a look at our next problem. 148 divided by 7. Again, this is the same as 148 divided by 7, which is the same as 148 divided by 7. Well, this time we're going to have a remainder, and we're going to show it as a fraction. So watch how this works. Does 7 fit into 1? Nope. Does 7 fit into 14? Sure does. 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. When we subtract that, we've got 0. Bring down the 8. Does 7 fit into, bring down the 8. That's the worst looking 8 I've ever seen. Does 7 fit into 8? Yeah, sure, 7 fits in there 1 time. 7 down. 8 minus 7 is 1. So it fits in there 21 with a remainder of 1. But the way we want you to express this is as a fraction. It goes in there 21 times, and we have 1 part left out of 8. Let's take a look at where those came from. The remainder is your numerator. This is how many parts left you have, or extra. In your divisor up here, this out of 7, my bad. Your divisor here, this tells you how many pieces there are in a whole. And you see how I just checked that? I just made a mistake. 21 and 1/7. Okay? Thanks for listening.